Hello guys, today I have quick unboxing video of my new purchase from Sephora, which is Naked Free palette, and I would like to open with you this package. Here it is. I received it with a post office. Here is box. Here is some coupon code to another shop, and here is the box inside, which looks like this. As I ordered a gift wrap gift package, so it came in this box from this side, and inside the box and inside the box, let's open. Here it is, Naked Free palette, and some samples. So I've got Flash by Jimmy Choo, which is 2 milliliters perfumes. Inside they looks like this. Looks cute. And then I've got another perfume, which is Chloe by Chloe Natural Spray Eau de Perfume. Inside looks like this, and here is the back. And another thing is Rosa, another perfume, Eau de Perfume, made in Spain. And here is Naked Free palette and some wrap paper. So let's open this Naked Free palette. So Naked Free palette came with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion, which is eyeshadow primer for four shades. And here is Naked Free palette. It came in the metal box like this, really cute. And here is, for example, my Naked 2 palette, which came in the box like this. And Naked Free has nice evaporation on the surface, and the size is exactly the same. So let's open. And here is inside. It came with big mirror, and here are eyeshadows. They are pink shades, or closer to pink and natural, really nice and eyeshadow pink shades, more shimmery eyeshadows. So matte colors are this Lunar, Limit, and Strange, and the rest are more pinky shades eyeshadows, with brush as previous one, to ending brush. And when we compare it with Naked 2 palette and Naked 1, Naked 2, and here Naked 1, Naked 2, and Naked 3. Here it is Naked 1, Naked 2, Naked 3. And here are all together. So Naked 1 has more darker shades and more brown colors. Naked 2 has also some gold and related with gold and warmer shades, and Naked 1 is more color shade. It's really close to Naked 2 but a little bit different, and Naked 3 is more warmer but more pinky related, more not pinky but pink, and not pink, salmon color, something like that. Naked 1 also, two eyeshadows are really close. Sin is really close to Dust. Half Baked is in Naked and Naked 2. The most dark color is Blackout in Naked 2, and Black Heart is more close to Violet. So let's do a swatch of Dust. Here, not look so much on my hand. Let's do a swatch of Buzz here on my hand. Let's do swatch of Liar. Liar is more pigmented, nice color. And let's do swatch of Max, like this. And metallic brown, and on hand looks like last one from the right. So these are swatches of 4 colors. Okay, so that would be it for today. Hope you enjoyed this small first impression video and a little bit of comparison. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up that I know that you enjoyed, and like the video, and I welcome you to my future videos. So subscribe to my channel if you not did yet, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.